With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world, while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. As of now, managing the Atom cryptographic money trades, Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with delicate Mint Center and its special Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Cosmos digital money can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token, Cosmos digital currency, all the more famously known by its local symbolic atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders. Before we start with genuine Cosmos cost forecast, how about we really look at point-by-point outline of the coin? Cosmos, the secret decoded. Cosmos is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights savvy contract usefulness as well as offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Cosmos environment likewise contains Cosmos Center. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Cosmos Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue lenient agreement model to approve exchanges. Cosmos is a token on the Cosmos Center point. Atom tokens are utilized for security purposes, blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and basic focal point of Cosmos is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, and persistent turns of events and redesigns. Cosmos, the worldwide benefit. Atom clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred cash through savvy contracts, as Atom handles the transformation through atomic trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional ascribes of Atom empower differentiated utilizations of existing applications, including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in various layer arrangements, variety of utilization stages presented on Atom, making a dreamlike encounter. Intertradability is one more key element of Atom. By means of DEX's mechanism of Atom empowers adaptability features supporting portable applications, and designer units are incredibly easy to understand and have their free calculation. A plenty of DEFI applications can be posted on Atom's sidechains. Cosmos, authentic information and specialized investigation. Unpredictability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos too. In December 2019, Cosmo began its progressive, however consistent presentation. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in WAC 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its extraordinary presentation. Cosmos has beaten a record gain according to crypto estimates by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.93 and obstruction level is $33.32. Views: in light of our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos value. The guess for 2026 is $173.33 in view of the ongoing developments. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos digital money market. In view of the ongoing cost and our Atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Our cost forecasts bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.55 following a year as indicated by our cost estimate. The Cosmos cost is gauged to reach $30.12 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $37.65. Lease cost $25.60. In light of our Atom value expectation and cost examination, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per news and our Atom cost expectation, a great deal of Atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the outset idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished. Thus, by and large, around bullish value forecasts of crossing a record-breaking high of cryptographic money cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange. Purchase Cosmos, making it a productive speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected enormous energy. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25. However, from that point forward, it plunged to $17. Then, at that point, from last month, Cosmos again denoted an enormous convention and enlisted another untouched high of $32.14. Be that as it may, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall. Cosmos cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a flowing stockpile of $286,370,297 ATOM. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022. As per Atom expectation, with different organizations and joint efforts in local areas subsidizing, the cryptographic money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet definitely possible toward 2022 in the momentary's end. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions in GOFT, approaches and guidelines, the Atom cost might have its portion of murky days. On the off chance that Atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then have more than adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and dependability. In the main, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom may be around $75. Cosmos Value Forecast 2024. Hustling up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. A TOM USD, however, dove yet in light of expectations and obstruction level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the huge expansion in the quantity of Atom coins stored into the agreement. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Cosmos cost is set to give promising indications, arriving at a pinnacle of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to 1 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy escalated technique. As per Cosmos cost forecasts, in the primary portion of the year 2026, the cost could reach to $90. The blockchain network is really famous with various activities based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, we can see the cost of Atom to reach $120, making it an untouched high in the following 5 years. Might Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? Without a doubt, Atom could end up being an entirely important and supportable kind of revenue gave you plan every one of your ventures shrewdly and decisively. As a digger or customary financial backer of the money, Atom could end up being a suitable speculation counsel in the long haul. There is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly. However, putting resources into Atom could demonstrate advantageous. Is Cosmos a contender to Ethereum? No, Cosmos embraces